Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of blacklight spotlights, and I've got a gem to share with you. Get ready to illuminate your space like never before with the DOREIO Halloween LED Blacklight Spotlights Indoor. Let me tell you right off the bat, folks, this isn't just any ordinary blacklight spotlight. This right here is the best blacklight spotlight available in the market today. Why? Well, let's break it down. First off, let's talk power. The DOREIO Halloween LED Blacklight boasts a mighty 15 watts of LED power, packing a punch that'll make those neon colors pop like never before. Whether you're decking out your space for Halloween, Christmas, or any glowing party in between, these spotlights have got you covered. Trust me, they'll take your decorations to the next level. But wait, there's more. These blacklight spotlights aren't just for indoor use. Note, they're versatile enough to light up both indoor and outdoor spaces, making them perfect for stages, parties, yards, and more. Plus, installation is a breeze. With plug-and-play functionality, you can have these spotlights up and running in no time, no hard wiring required. Just plug them into your household power supply, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk durability. Crafted with high-quality aluminum, these spotlights are built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy, disposable lights, and hello to long-lasting illumination that'll keep the party going all night long. And did I mention the warranty? With a 12-month replacement warranty and lifelong technical support, you can purchase with confidence knowing that DOREIO has your back. So there you have it, folks, the DOREIO Halloween LED Blacklight Spotlights Indoor. The ultimate choice for those who demand the best in blacklight illumination. Don't settle for mediocre lighting when you can shine bright with DOREIO. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and as always, happy shopping.